Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit TikTok G6 filter using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more free Lightroom presets. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure to plus 0.10. Contrast to plus 35. Highlights to plus 12. Shadows to plus 47. Whites to minus 68. Blacks to plus 80. Next go to curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to the color panel. Temp to minus 5. Tint to minus 5. Adjust Vibrance to plus 25. Saturation to minus 12. And then go to color mix. First go to red. Hue to minus 21. Saturation to plus 26. Luminance to minus 9. Next go to orange. Hue to minus 12. Saturation to plus 18. Luminance to plus 10. Next go to yellow. Hue to plus 23. Saturation to minus 16. Luminance to minus 8. Next go to green. Hue to minus 35. Saturation to minus 75. Luminous to plus 30. Next go to dark blue. Hue to minus 32. Adjust saturation to minus 81. Luminance to plus 18. And done. Next go to effect panel. Clarity to plus 24. To Ace to plus 19. Grain to 4. Next go to Detail. Sharpening to 10. Noise reduction to 6. Color noise reduction to 3. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.